Welcome to my channel, How to Knot, and in this video I'll be showing you how to tie a Carrick Bend mat. This mat is great for applications such as general purposes and sailing. First, start by creating a loop. Then create a second loop over the existing loop. The working end will need to be fed through those two loops. Coming back around, this time from the bottom, feed the working end through the mat. The working end needs to follow around the existing path so the rope is doubled up. As you progress further through your design, the mat may need to be tightened in order to extend your working end. Finally, go around, tighten up the mat, closing up the spaces while maintaining a flat design. This does take a little time and patience when tightening the mat to ensure everything does fall into place. Once done, this is what you're left with. The Carrick Bend mat is a decorative mat which holds a symmetrical pattern. The loose ends can be cut to size and then fused together or sewn into place. It was originally used by sailors to prevent damage to a boat or chafing. It also works great as a decoration, a mat for a hot pot, or traction on a surface. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying tutorials, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.